no Dr. Dolittle, but there are times when I think birds are the only ones I can really talk to. Maybe that's because I'm a partridge. Alan Partridge.
Righty, it's all getting a bit serious now. Who's the number 3 spot this week? It's Mr. Alan Triggs, which She Is My Sunshine. It's down just the 1 this week. Funny chap is odd Alan. He's got an excellent following, you know. Still to this date, he remains one of the most listened to live line performances we've had to date. I remember when I tuned out of the show, that's when I found out how many people have actually listened to the show. It was massive. He had shitloads of people. I'm talking more listeners than bands. And this is a prime example. He's a solo act and he's number 3 in our charts. I personally don't even know how that happens. You've got 5 people in the band. That's 5 people with the potential to share in power. You would naturally assume the bands would just smash its head in, wouldn't you, over solo acts? But, you know, I don't know. There you go. He must be fucking superb. He is fucking superb. This is Alan Triggs, this week's number 3, with She's My Sunshine. Very nice tune. This is progress, this, mate. This is a big progress for Alan Triggs.
Something to do. I don't care where we go, but I want you to know I need you by my side. I used to feel so low, but you helped me grow and you made me feel alright. She's my sunshine, my blue sky. She's my music, my delight. I can meet myself around you, glad I found you after all this time. Never seen a love so true, I don't feel blue, she makes me feel just fine. She makes everything better. I even let her help me to get clean. She just can't help caring, don't mind sharing. She made me chase my dream. She's my sunshine, my blue sky. She's my music, my delight. She's my sunshine, my blue sky. She's my music, my delight.
Unsigned and original music in the Northwest. Every Thursday on Round Sound Radio, Northwest Unsigned and Original Top 20 Countdown.
Oh, young man!
Absolutely lovely tune. Now, number 2 this week, guys. It is up 1 place. Now, I thought when they first put this tune into me, I mean, I listened to it and I just thought instantly, that is a fucking monster of a tune. But Red Winton have never really had it. I've just told you it is, haven't I? Red Winton is our number 2 with The Real World. But I thought to myself, they mightn't have that much luck, but they have. It's gone up a place, and I'm very happy about that. I'd be even more happy if this hit number 1, because I really do believe that this track, similar to Alan Triggs, is another massive milestone for them. From production to songwriting to everything, mate. It's an absolute brilliant tune by them. As soon as they sent it in, I thought to myself, that better do well. It's number 2. This is Red Winter, The Real World, up 1 place this week. Have a go. This week's number 1 on Round Sound Radio.
Well, I wonder, who the fuck is it?
God knows. It's Dusky Grey. Lose My Mind.
Don't be long, because I'll be there now on my own, waiting for you. 9 o'clock on the PM, now I've arrived, waiting for you. Now where are you now, girl? don't see you there, oh no. I don't see you there, oh no. I don't wanna go and lose my mind, feeling rough, oh no, and lose my mind. See you hiding here, are you alright? Get in the car, oh, and enjoy the ride. I'm on my phone, I ain't got no text to let me know where you're at. I feel alone, I'm overthinking, trying to find where you are. Now where are you now, girl? Where are you now, girl? I don't see you there, oh no. I don't see you there, oh no. I don't wanna go and lose my mind, feeling rough, oh no, and lose my mind. See you hiding here, are you alright? Get in the car, oh, and enjoy the ride. I don't wanna go and lose my mind, feeling rough, oh no, and lose my mind. See you hiding here, are you alright? Get in the car, oh, and enjoy the ride. I don't wanna go and lose my mind, feeling rough, oh no, and lose my mind. See you hiding here, are you alright? Get in the car, oh, and enjoy the ride. I can see you, and you're walking to me. You're finally here, now let's go. Enjoy this party with me. Your friends are here.
And there we have it. Dusky Grey has stolen the number 1 spot on Round Sound Radio for the second week running. And I'm not going to lie to you, he didn't do it by a couple of listens. He done it by hundreds. He absolutely smashed its head in. So, yep, second week running, there we are. Dusky Grey, absolutely brilliant track in its own right and very deserved also. Right, guys, for those who are listening and thinking, I haven't heard my track yet, what's the crack? You have been shortlisted. Acts shortlisted for next Thursday consist of Mia Wakefield, Gavin Hayes, John Meadows, Sarah Beatrice, Kingdom and Derek King. All still very much in the running to enter our top 20 next Thursday, guys. I'm going to play these tunes for you in just a second. Before I do so, I'm going to give you a couple of tunes. I'm going to give you this one by R.E.M. This is called Man on the Moon. You might know it.